Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Barryville, New Brunswick. This peaceful rural community is located in Alnwick Parish, Northumberland County, in the northeastern part of the province. Nestled just southwest of the small community of New Jersey, Barryville sits near the scenic Miramichi River, a waterway renowned for its salmon fishing and rich natural beauty. Surrounded by dense forests and rolling hills, the area offers a tranquil setting that reflects the charm of rural New Brunswick. The community's history dates back to the early 20th century when Edward Barry, one of the first settlers, established roots here. The Barry family played a significant role in the area's development, with James Barry serving as the first postmaster when the local post office opened in 1904. As you drive through Barryville, you'll notice the quiet roads lined with trees and the occasional glimpse of the Miramichi River. The community's landscape is a blend of natural beauty and rural simplicity, offering a glimpse into the serene lifestyle of its residents. Whether you're passing through or taking a moment to explore, Barryville provides a peaceful retreat into the heart of New Brunswick's countryside.
Thanks for watching!